Hello everyone, good to be back with my YouTube family. So this blog is from one of my recent business trips to Hyderabad a week back. मेरे करंट प्रोजेक्ट में ड्यू टू सर्टेन रिक्वायरमेंट्स मुझे अक्सर 2 या 3 हफ्तों में एक बार अलग अलग लोकेशंस पे जाना होता है जहाँ टीम की अलग अलग रिक्वायरमेंट्स को मीट करनी होती है। तो मैंने अपनी जर्नी शुरू करी गुड़गांव से। सो राइट नाउ आई एम एन रूट द दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट टर्मिनल 3। So this time the route that I took was from Dwarka Expressway. Although the time taken from Dwarka Expressway is the same as from NH48, but there was no traffic. So we have finally reached the airport. I grabbed a quick coffee shot and then we were waiting for our flight. So जैसा कि आजकल हो रहा है, इनबाउंड एंड आउटबाउंड एयर ट्रैफिक के कारण मेरी फ़्लाइट कुछ 1 से 1.5 घंटे डिले हो गई. So we were still waiting at the airport. So finally our flight landed after 1.5 hours delay and we completed our boarding.
It is recommended to keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. In the event of a decrease in cabin pressure, oxygen over the wings on both sides. The fluorescent strip along the floor will guide you to the closest exit. For takeoff and landing, personal electronic
So after a 2 hours flight, we have finally reached Hyderabad, 11 p.m. in the night. So we are heading for the exit terminal. मेरा कोई check-in luggage नहीं था, तो I'm heading straight for the cab. हैदराबाद एयरपोर्ट में एक खासियत ये है कि अनलाइक दिल्ली, यहाँ पे आप ऊबर गो करो एंड एक लाइन होती है ऊबर गो की, वहाँ पे आप जस्ट गो टू दैट लाइन एंड व्हेन योर टर्न कम्स जो भी अवेलेबल व्हीकल रहेगा उसको आप बुक करके वो आपको आपके डेस्टिनेशन पे ले जाएगी. सो मैंने भी यही करा. आई बुकड एन ऊबर गो एंड टुक ऑफ फॉर द होटल. So my stay was at the Trident Hotels in High-Tech City, Hyderabad. Trident Hotels come under the aegis of the Oberoi Group. Oberoi Group का presence, you must be knowing that ये 7 or 8 countries में the Oberoi Group is widely established, and it has two substantial segments under it: the luxury segment of the Oberoi and the 5-star segment of Trident. So let's do a quick room tour. This is the entrance. This is the setup that we have. Rooms काफ़ी spacious हैं Trident के. This is a 41 square meter room. This is the overall view. ये वॉशरूम एरिया, it has a basin, bathtub, the breathing area. A table chair setup with a table lamp. So all in all, a pretty good room, quite spacious. This is the room in the morning. This is the view that we got, overlooking the entire high-tech city. So ये हैदराबाद का पूरा व्यू हमारे रूम से. ये पूरा entire passage through which all the rooms are connected. So I'll just give you a brief look into what the passage looks like in the Trident. So we had our breakfast, and all the 5-star hotels, they provide services where they have their own cab services, so you can take them and you can go anywhere you want. Of course, those are chargeable. So I booked the hotel cab itself straight to the office. So we are en route Deloitte. Of course, in the morning during the rush hour, the traffic is there. So here we are at Deloitte, Hyderabad. Hyderabad's Deloitte office is the largest office in the country. This is one of the newly created offices from Deloitte's end. So yeah, let's go and have some work done.